Creating new listings for your products on eBay is easy with Channel Cloud. Simply go to the Listings view, select the connected eBay sales channel you wish to create listings for, and navigate to your preferred listing mode from the drop-down Listing Mode selector. The single edit mode lets you create listings for products one at a time and is a great way to get started listing products on a new eBay sales channel until you are confident enough to start bulk listing in multi-edit mode with the Codisto Express Grid. In single listing mode, simply search for the product you wish to create a new listing for and select it. All the fields for eBay listings for that product are shown, and you can scroll through and update your settings before enabling the listing status and publishing the product to eBay. Once published, your listing will be live on eBay and ready for customers to find and buy your product. You can update your listing or end it at any time. Simply make the required changes, then save and publish to eBay. Whilst single edit mode is a great way to become familiar with the requirements and options for listing on eBay, if you have a large catalog of products and want to save time by creating listings in bulk, then you can switch to multi-edit mode and use the Codisto Express Grid. Here you will see all of the products in your online store catalog and their field values listed on the left-hand side, and the fields and settings that will be used to create your eBay listing values in the columns on the right. Before you enable and publish to create your new eBay listings, you can edit the settings and rules for your eBay fields in bulk, either to your entire product catalog or a filtered set of products using the green multi-edit row here at the top of the Express Grid. To learn more about how to update marketplace values in the Express Grid, including how to use the search and filter function to edit custom groups of products, please watch module number 2 in this video series, where we explore the Codisto Express Grid in further detail. Once you have reviewed your marketplace values and are ready to list your products for sale on eBay, simply select the products you wish to list, or use this checkbox to select all of your products in bulk, enable your offer status, and then publish. Note: if you have already linked some of the products in your online store catalog to your existing listings on eBay via the Link eBay Listings view, Codisto will already show these as enabled and only create new listings for those remaining products that don't already have matching listings for. Once Codisto has successfully created your listings, you will see this icon next to your products in the Offer Status column. If there has been an error, you will see this red error icon, meaning further steps may be required to list your products. Simply click on the icon to reveal error specifics and guidance on required steps to fix it. If you continue to see this error warning, please contact support through the Codisto Help Center for further assistance. You can view your new eBay listings directly from the Codisto Express Grid by clicking the blue link icon. To make changes to your live eBay listings, simply update the eBay fields with your new rules and settings and hit Publish to set your changes live on eBay.